In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test a pop-up in Klaviyo. We'll start on the Klaviyo home dashboard. From here, head to the website section, then open Sign Up Forms. This is where all of your on-site forms live, and it's the hub for building, editing, and testing pop-ups. Click Create Form to begin. You can start from a blank canvas or browse templates. If you already have a look in mind, the search bar helps you quickly filter designs. You'll see categories like form style, template type, and seasons and holidays. For this walkthrough, choose Form Style and select Pop-up. Pick a template that's close to what you want to test. Remember, an effective A/B test isolates one meaningful change, like headline, image, incentive, or timing, so choose a baseline design you're happy with. Name your form clearly so you can recognize it later, then connect it to the correct email subscriber list. This ensures new signups route to the right audience without manual cleanup. When that's set, click Create Form to open the builder. With the form created, it's time to spin up the experiment. Click Create A/B Test. Give the overall test a descriptive name, then assign a variation name for the challenger version. Keep your naming consistent so you can report on it later. Create the test, then continue to the test settings. Here, review the essentials. Confirm both versions point to the same list. Keep the traffic split even by default for fair results, and make sure your goal is clear. Most teams use submit rate for pop-ups. If you're testing a design change only, avoid changing display rules at the same time. Mixing variables makes results harder to interpret. Before you launch, preview both variations on desktop and mobile to check spacing, contrast, and form validation. Quick tip: if you rely on exit intent or delayed timing, make sure those display rules are identical across versions, unless that timing is the specific thing you're testing. When everything looks good, click Publish A/B Test, then confirm Publish. Your pop-up test is now live and will begin splitting traffic automatically. After launch, give the test enough time and volume to reach a confident result. Rushing to a conclusion can lead to false wins. Watch metrics like views, submit rate, and downstream performance from your welcome flow to validate quality, not just quantity. That's it. You've created a pop-up, set up an A/B test, and published it in Klaviyo. Run clean tests, change one thing at a time, and you'll learn exactly what moves the needle.